You have to keep in mind we're human, and each of us has flaws, and that's okay. So just have fun, and then you're gonna not agree on everything, and that's all right. But it always comes back to just being kind to each other. It's those little things in life that are more important than anything. And it's those daily actions, just little things such as smiling. Um, we have a routine every night. Should I tell you? Every night we say two things. Well, nighty night, and I love you. Every single day we tell each other that we love each other. And that is, don't go to sleep without that. So that's that old saying, don't go to sleep without, if you've had a fight. Well, that's true. And if you come to the point when, okay, it's 1 a.m. and you're not going to have time to work out all the details, but just to re-acknowledge that you love each other nonetheless, even if you don't agree on something. And that even taking that few moments to realize that, well, I know I'm tired, I know you're tired, or one of us is overworked, or one of something, or I know that's a sensitive topic. Somehow, if you could take some breathing space, it is a goal. I mean, again, in 25 years, I think it's only been a couple times when we've gone to bed without making up. But what'll happen is that a few hours later, one of us will wake up and then we make up. We just say we love each other, or I'm sorry, or one of us, cuddle or something. So I don't think we've ever done a full night's sleep after, we've always resolved it somehow. Easier said than done, and we might need to further work on it. Obviously, everything isn't going to be resolved right away, but anyway.